Welcome back, guys. In the last lecture, we have discussed how to manipulate CSS using the React hooks in functional components. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about the second React hook, which is called as useEffect. UseEffect is similar to component did mode method in class components, which is used to execute before the component rendered. So it will be called automatically by the React compiler. We just need to create it, but we cannot call it. It will be called automatically. Now in the app.js only, I will create the useEffect hook. So here in the app.js, there is no elements added. So I will remove this home. I will add one h1 text. h1. I will write the text as this is useEffect hook. Now let's see the output. So I will refresh this page. Here you can see this is useEffect hook. Now we will see how it will work. First I will create a variable with the help of useState const followed by the brackets. In this I will create a variable with the name language, and I will write the method to change this language as setLanguage. And I will initialize this language with any language with the help of useState. Initially the language is Java. Now I want to use this hook variable in the HTML text. So I will create one h1 text. The declared variable, not variable, the declared language is in the curly braces. You have to write the variable name. Here the variable name is language. Now let's see the output. Here you can see we got the output. The declared language is Java. Now I want to change this language to some other language like JavaScript or Python without writing any function and without on-click event in the component. So now I have to use useEffect hook for these situations. It is a lifecycle method in functional components. I will use useEffect after the creation of variables. useEffect. The syntax of useEffect method is different from normal functions. So observe very clearly. So after useEffect, you have to use the parenthesis. In that you have to use one more parenthesis. After one more parenthesis, you have to write the arrow function. So this is the syntax of useEffect hook. First we have to use the useEffect keyword. Afterwards we have to use the parenthesis. In that parenthesis you have to write the arrow function. Arrow function syntax is parenthesis followed by the arrow keyword. Afterwards you have to write the curly braces. This is the syntax of useEffect. And after the curly braces, here you can see after the curly braces you have to write comma and empty brackets. This is the syntax of useEffect method in functional components. So in this useEffect, I will change the value of language from Java to something other. So I will change setLanguage. In the parenthesis, I will write another language, JavaScript. So here we have created the useEffect function, but we have not called it. It will be called automatically by the React compiler. Now let's see the output. If the output is the declared language is Java, the program is incorrect. If the output shows the declared language is JavaScript, hence our program is correct. Let's see the output. Here you can see the language is changed from Java to JavaScript. Here we have not written any function, we have not written any on-click, and we have not added any buttons also. It is changed by the help of useEffect only. So whenever you write the useEffect function, it will be called automatically by the React compiler, and whatever the statements you write in the useEffect function, that will be executed automatically. We need not to call this useEffect function.